Jake's proposal. Jake Bongiove nervously fidgeted with his hands as he sat across from Millie Bobby in their favorite cafe. Today was the day he had been building up the courage to ask her the most important question of his life. Millie sipped her coffee, her eyes twinkling with curiosity. "Jake, you seem a bit jittery today. Is everything okay?" Jake took a deep breath, steeling himself for what he was about to do. "Millie, there's something I need to tell you," he began, his voice slightly trembling. Millie set her cup down, giving him her full attention. "What is it, Jake? You know you can tell me anything." Jake reached across the table, taking Millie's hands in his own. "Millie, ever since the day we met, you've brought so much joy and love into my life. You're my best friend, my partner in crime, and the love of my life." Millie's eyes widened in surprise, a soft smile playing on her lips. "Jake, what are you trying to say?" Jake's heart pounded in his chest as he gathered his thoughts. "Millie, I can't imagine my life without you. You're the one I want to spend the rest of my days with, through the highs and lows, the laughter and tears. Will you marry me?" Tears welled up in Millie's eyes as she processed Jake's words. She reached out to cup his face in her hands, her heart overflowing with emotion. "Jake, I don't know what to say," she whispered, her voice choked with emotion. Jake's heart sank for a moment, fearing he had made a mistake. But then Millie's eyes met his, and he saw the love and happiness shining within them. "Yes, Jake, 1,000 times yes," she exclaimed, throwing her arms around him in a tight embrace. Relief flooded through Jake as he hugged Millie back, feeling like the luckiest man in the world. In that moment, surrounded by the buzz of the cafe and the warmth of their love, Jake knew that his life was about to change in the best possible way. And as they sat there, hand in hand, they knew that their future together was filled with endless possibilities and boundless love.